Hello and welcome to the Knowledge Source. So, Delhi High Court has dismissed the plea which was seeking to postpone the UPSC mains examination of 2022. So, in this session, we are going to discuss about the reasons behind this curtailment or the postponement plea has been dismissed by the High Court, and what could be the impact regarding those aspirants who are looking to appear in this examination, which is happening to be starting from the tomorrow. So we'll discuss all those aspects and we will relate with this issue with the rising incidence of the COVID-19 situation in India, and what could be the reasons and how it can impact the aspirants performance. So we'll discuss all these things. But before starting this session, I would like to say you can join through our Telegram channel and the Facebook channel, and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel also. So now Delhi High Court today has dismissed the plea which was seeking to postpone the UPSC mains examination, which happens to be starting from tomorrow. So in this scenario, looking at the all aspects, Delhi High Court has dismissed this plea and has also instructed at the same time to the different state governments to arrange the convenience tool for the aspirants to reach the examination center, so that there is no issue at all regarding the preparation and the appearance by the different aspirants who is supposed to be appearing in this examination from tomorrow. So there was a lot of issues and a lot of questions that has been raised already, that maybe there would be a possibility where the examination of this mains examination of UPSC will be cancelled, or it will be postponed till the COVID situation ease out. So there were a lot of speculations regarding that, but government and all those ministries regarding the Union Public Service Commission has categorically says that there is a lot of difficulty in terms of postponement, and considering the fact that there is a lot of money invested in conducting the examination, and there will the impact will be that the cycle in which this examination is being conducted will be hampered because of the postponement. So a lot of talking has been happened from both the sides, and ultimately we have seen today that Delhi High Court has said that no, this examination cannot be postponed and you have to appear tomorrow. So this is something which was expected earlier, that considering the fact that the number of cases of COVID is rising throughout the world and India, and the number of cases has exponentially increased in last 2 weeks. So considering all these facts, there was a speculations that there would be a chance that the mains examination will be cancelled or postponed till the COVID situation ease out and the number of cases reduced. So there were a lot of speculations, but Delhi High Court has some other opinion regarding that, and curtailing all those things. Those advocate who was representing the students side, who said that the candidates needs to survive in this pandemic in order to appear. So he has categorically emphasized that he has related this issue of appearance in the COVID-19 by the aspirants with the Article 21, which says that there is a fundamental right which is mentioned under Article 21, which says that there is a right to protect the health. And considering this fact that this emphasis led by the advocate who was representing the states, who was representing the students union, so he has said that in order to appear in the examination, aspirant has to survive, and aspirant can only survive if there is enough mechanism that can protect the health of the aspirant. So in order to conduct this examination, we are not focusing on the health and not focusing on the issues at hand, that we need to curtail the number of cases that is transmitting from one person to another. So this is something which was emphasized earlier, but the advocate has also said that throughout the country we are seeing that the number of schools, colleges, coaching institutions has been shut down only because of the number of cases was rising very fast. So saying all those things, he was trying to emphasize and trying to correlate the things and try to pressurize the judges so that he can change their decision. But the thing is that the number of cases, although it was rising, but different, if you see the kind of investment and the kind of exchequer's money used to be invested in conducting this examination, it will hamper, it will give a lot of drawbacks to the exchequer's payer money. So this was something that if we want to debate, we can discuss about these things. But of course, I would definitely say the number of cases in which we are seeing that, of course, you have to remember that this is not a 1 hour examination. You aspirants have to sit there for 3 hours of two shifts, and considering the all those the lapses of between the two examination, in and around somewhere 8 to 9 hours aspirants has to sit there, and a kind of COVID situation that we are seeing at this moment, and the number of cases is rising very fast. So it was it would have been better that government of India thought about this thing and maybe postpone till the number of cases may reduce, although there is no necessary to postpone the prelims examination, which happens to be in the June. So this is all in all, it is a hasty decision, I would say, and of course there was very necessary for curtailment. And at last I would say that those persons, although right now there is nothing that the examination will postpone, and those who are going to appear in the today's examination, I wish them a very good luck. They have done their justice in their preparation in last 1 to 2 years, and this time they have to show their potential and perform and come with the flying colors. So that's it for today. Thank you as always for joining, and of course you can write about your opinion regarding this decision and comment me in the inbox, and I will definitely try to answer your question. So that's it for today. Thank you as always for joining.